5 digital marketing strategies to boost your business. With constant technological progress, we are moving away from the conventional brick-and-mortar system and adapting to what is known as the digital era. From buying clothes and ordering food to calling someone up sitting miles away is achievable with just a click of a button. While having an online presence may seem optional, it is a pivotal aspect to the success of any growing business, and having an effective online presence means investing in digital marketing. Digital marketing allows a business to reach a global marketplace while saving more money than traditional marketing. It is much more than just promoting and selling your goods and services online and includes everything from paid search to content marketing. According to Fundera, only 50% of small businesses survive 5 years or more. One prominent reason for their survival is marketing digitally, because without it, it is not possible for a small business to have a lasting impact. Here are some of the digital marketing strategies to get your small business going. 1. Create a website. Creating a website for your business is the first thing you need to do when marketing your growing business. It's something you just cannot ignore. A website will act as a part of your online portfolio, and with the right search engine optimizing techniques, you can reach your targeted audience better. The goal of your website should be to provide enough information to help prospective customers understand what your brand is all about, get to know the services you offer, be able to see the samples of your work so that they feel convinced that you are exactly the one that they need, instantly approach you to discuss their projects, and determine whether you are within their budgetary reach. Remember, if you have no website, nothing that we have discussed so far is possible. And even if you have a website, you're not going to get the dividends unless you have optimized your site for search engines. Ensuring that your site ranks in your service area is absolutely critical. 2. Optimize your business website for search engines. SEO is crucial for marketing your business, and it might be the decisive factor in its growth. On-page SEO, or on-site SEO, deals with optimizing different parts of your website that affect your search engine rankings. It's something that you can deliberately control. Off-page SEO focuses on increasing the authority of your domain through the act of getting links from other websites. Put simply, what you rank for is dependent on on-page factors, whereas how high you rank in searches is dependent on off-page factors. On-page SEO includes creating attractive headlines, HTML tags, title, meta, and header, and catchy images. On-page SEO is critical since it is what allows search engines to understand the content of your website or what your website is about. During the indexing and ranking process, search engines link web pages with keywords or terms that people use in their search when, say, searching something that your website is offering. It's through on-page SEO elements that you can guide search engines as to the keywords that you want your pages to be ranked on. Off-page SEO, on the other hand, includes building links, presence on social media, blogs, and forums linked to your website. Off-page SEO projects how important your website is for people out there. Hence, every link that you receive is an endorsement of the quality of whatever you are offering. This lets external sources act as tiebreakers when different websites have the same quality of on-page SEO, so search engines know the best to rank websites on search engine results pages. So if you want your business to have a user-friendly website that ranks higher in search engines, which helps bring more potential customers and eventually increase conversion rates, on-page and off-page SEO are indispensable. 3. Create social media profiles. In the age of social media, not having a social media account is, frankly, a bit archaic. And when you own a business, it is mandatory. Just like having a website, having a social media presence is crucial. It is the quickest, most instant, most effective way of connecting with potential clients. In a nutshell, it is what makes your brand the brand. A bit of wisdom is required, however, when choosing the right kind of social media platform for your business. The first step should be to find out where your customers hang out. That in turn depends on the type of business or service you intend to offer. For example, if you're a photographer or interior designer, Instagram would be ideal. Similarly, if you're a copywriter or a business consultant, LinkedIn may be the better option to connect with clients. Remember that a successful business model is essentially about growing your clientele, engaging with your followers, with your customers, and building reliable, satisfactory connections. That is the end you and every business out there are striving for. and you can never engage unless you have a visible presence. If they cannot see you, you do not even exist. Therefore, it is important to be visible. And for doing that, you will have to invest in boosting your posts, an option provided by social media outlets to make your product more visible to your potential clients. 4. Use content marketing. Content marketing is the creation and distribution of online content like blog posts, videos, webinars, and even ebooks. The purpose of content marketing is to advertise your brand, make people interested in what you are offering, and eventually convince them to purchase your product or service. You can write content to help your website rank for keywords only if you know what your market is searching for. Say, for example, you build houses for a living. People research a lot before they can decide the kind of house that they want for themselves. They might research things like furniture, decor, room sizes, in short, every minor and major detail. If you know a lot about houses and decide to write blog posts for facilitating people in making wiser decisions, you'll build your name as an expert on the subject matter, and it is likely that you will rank higher in Google searches on the topic of your expertise. More visibility in Google searches would mean more people clicking on your website, which in result would mean more growth of your business. If you have an interesting opinion, you can have as big an audience as there is out there. If people begin to believe that you are an expert, they would want to work with you. That means growth. Successful content marketing requires you to identify your audience, pick your budget for content, prepare a blogging schedule, decide on topics, find out what search queries people are typing into Google. In other words, conduct keyword research. Write and optimize the content. Include calls to action in your posts. Market and share your content. Track performance of your posts using Google Analytics. Content marketing is a necessity in today's digital world. If you want your business to establish a successful brand identity that your audience connects with and gain an advantage over your competitors, make sure you're doing your content marketing right. 5. Advertise. We all want our business to reach a large amount of potential audience. When you think of expanding your business, Google Ads should be the first thing to cross your mind, as it is not just the largest, but also the most widely used advertising platform. Google Ads is based on a pay-per-click or PPC auction system, and it can project your ad in front of the millions of people using Google to search the web and the millions of websites that show Google Ads. There are a number of advantages to using Google Ads to market your business. The first one is precise targeting. Google Ads ensures that your ad is only displayed to potential customers. This is done by business owners filtering their audience on the basis of a number of factors like age, gender, geographical location, keywords, etc. Business owners can also select the time of day and the specific devices on which they want their ads to be displayed on. Few other advantages of Google Ads include businesses saving money by only paying when a user takes an action to view their website, and the ease of tracking the number of users that view and click an ad. It won't be fair if we don't talk about Facebook ads when advertising online, because Facebook is the leading social platform, reaching 60.6% of internet users. In a nutshell, Facebook ads are simple to set up and can yield excellent results for your business. They can also be easily customized to attract your perfect audience. As long as your target is to build a reliable customer base while making sure that every penny counts, it does not matter if you use Google Ads or Facebook ads. That's a decision that solely depends on the type of business you own. Digital marketing is not about paying money to promote a brand. It's much more than that. It's about brand positioning, market research, pricing your services, staying in touch, impressing your customers, satisfying them, and, most importantly, winning their loyalty. Gone are the days when customers would have to go from shop to shop, from one market to another, to find the right product. Today, the whole world is in their reach, and the global market is your playground. And all those interested in your product are in quest to find you without them having to leave the comfort of their homes. All that you need to do is know how to reach them. And that, in 2 words, is digital marketing.